In this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk delete contacts in Mailchimp quickly and correctly, so you can clean up your audience without removing people one by one. This is really useful if you've got old subscribers, test contacts, bounced addresses, or people you no longer want in a specific audience list. We'll go step by step, and I'll also point out the important confirmation step so you don't accidentally delete the wrong contacts. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the audience section. This is where Mailchimp stores your contacts, subscribers, and audience list management tools. Click on Audience to open your contact list area. Now you should be on the contacts page for your audience. Here, you'll see the list of contacts currently saved in Mailchimp. The next step is to select the contacts you want to remove. Tick the checkboxes next to each contact you want to bulk delete. If you need to delete several contacts, make sure you review the list carefully before selecting them, because once you continue, the action can't be undone easily. After you've selected the contacts, look for the three dots menu, which gives you more actions. Click on the three dots to open the options menu. In that menu, choose delete. This tells Mailchimp that you want to remove the selected contacts from the audience. Mailchimp will then show you a deletion confirmation screen. This is where you need to pause and double check everything. You'll usually see an option to permanently delete the contacts. Tick the box that says permanently delete. This is an important step because it confirms that you want these contacts removed completely, not just archived or unsubscribed. Once that box is checked, click continue to delete. Mailchimp will process the request and remove the selected contacts from your audience. Depending on how many contacts you selected, it may take a moment to complete. When it finishes, your list will be cleaned up and the contacts you chose will no longer be in that audience. A quick tip before you go. Always make sure you're deleting the right contacts, especially if you manage multiple audiences or use Mailchimp for different brands or campaigns. It's also a good idea to export your contacts first if you want a backup before permanently deleting anything. That way, you always have a copy just in case you need it later. And that's it. You now know how to bulk delete contacts in Mailchimp step by step. If this video helped you save time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.